Nikola Tesla once said, "If you only knew the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9, you would have the key to the universe." But what makes these numbers so special? Are they just simple digits? Or do they hold a hidden code that explains the mysteries of energy, vibration, and the cosmos? In this video, we'll uncover the fascinating secrets behind 3, 6, and 9, exploring Tesla's insights, and how these numbers might unlock the hidden patterns that govern everything around us. Get ready to dive into the mystery. Nikola Tesla, the iconic inventor and visionary, once said something both intriguing and mysterious. If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe. This statement has fascinated thinkers, scientists, and mystics for decades. What was Tesla really referring to? Why did these three numbers, 3, 6, and 9, hold such importance to him? And could there be a hidden code or universal law encoded within them that explains the fundamental workings of reality itself? In this comprehensive exploration, we will dive deep into the mystery behind 3, 6, and 9, looking at Tesla's ideas, mathematical patterns, ancient numerology, and modern interpretations. By the end, you'll understand why so many believe these numbers may indeed be the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. Who was Nikola Tesla? Before we unpack the mystery of 3, 6, and 9, it's important to understand the man behind the quote. Nikola Tesla, 1856 to 1943, was a Serbian-American inventor, electrical engineer, and futurist. He contributed groundbreaking inventions in alternating current, AC, electrical systems, wireless communication, and electromagnetic fields. Tesla was a genius who saw beyond the mechanical and into the metaphysical. He often combined his scientific understanding with philosophical and spiritual ideas, seeking patterns and harmonies in nature that others overlooked. His obsession with numbers, particularly 3, 6, and 9, was part of this quest. Tesla's quote, "If you only knew the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9. Tesla's exact words on this topic are difficult to verify, as there is no definitive source for the full context. However, multiple reports and writings suggest he emphasized these numbers repeatedly, believing they were central to the universe's design. Tesla's quote invites us to explore the possibility that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 represent something beyond ordinary digits, possibly a hidden numerical code or a key to understanding energy, vibration, and reality itself. Why are 3, 6, and 9 so special? 1. Patterns in mathematics and geometry. The power of 3. The number 3 appears throughout nature and human experience. 3 dimensions of space, length, width, height. 3 states of matter, solid, liquid, gas, and the triadic nature of many philosophical and religious systems, mind, body, spirit, past, present, future, Father, Son, Holy Spirit. The power of 6. 6 is fundamental in geometry, as a hexagon, a six-sided figure, is the most efficient way to fill a plane with equal shapes, think honeycombs. The number 6 also features prominently in the structure of carbon atoms and natural crystals. The power of 9. 9 is the highest single-digit number and often seen as the completion or culmination of a cycle 3 times 3. It has intriguing mathematical properties. For example, multiplying 9 by any integer and summing the digits of the product results in 9 again. E.g., 9 times 3 is equal to 27. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 2. The vortex mathematics and the digital root cycle. Mathematician Marco Rodin and others in the field of vortex mathematics have explored patterns created by the numbers 1 through 9 when reduced to their digital roots, the process of adding digits until a single digit remains. Here's what happens when you look at multiples of 3, 6, and 9. Multiples of 3 cycle through 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. Multiples of 6 cycle through 6, 3, 9, 6, 3, 9. Multiples of 9 always reduce to 9. In these cycles, 3, 6, and 9 form a unique triad that never breaks the pattern. In vortex mathematics, 3, 6, and 9 are considered the control numbers governing the flow of energy and patterns within the mathematical system, unlike the other numbers that follow a cyclical pattern. Tesla's 369 and the universe's energy. Tesla's fascination with 3, 6, and 9 is often linked to his broader theories about energy, vibration, and frequency. Tesla famously said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." The numbers 3, 6, and 9 are thought to represent key frequencies or vibration points that resonate with the fabric of reality. Some interpretations say 3 represents the fundamental creation energy or trinity of existence. 6 represents balance, harmony, or duality. 9 represents completion, transformation, or higher consciousness. In this view, 3, 6, and 9 form a kind of sacred triad that underpins how energy moves, how matter forms, and how consciousness evolves. Ancient wisdom and numerology. The significance of 3, 6, and 9 isn't new. Ancient cultures and mystical traditions have long recognized these numbers as sacred. Pythagorean numerology. Pythagoras, the ancient Greek philosopher and mathematician, considered numbers as the essence of all things. In his system, 3 is the number of harmony and wisdom, 6 symbolizes beauty and balance, and 9 is the number of divine completeness. Eastern philosophy. In Hinduism and Buddhism, the number 9 is highly sacred, representing spiritual enlightenment and the culmination of spiritual development. The flower of life and sacred geometry. Many ancient symbols that represent the structure of the universe include patterns based on 3s and SIXS. The famous flower of life pattern is made from overlapping circles in 6-fold symmetry. Tesla's obsession with numbers in his life. Tesla's fascination with 3, 6, and 9 extended beyond theory to practice. Tesla reportedly had an obsessive habit of walking around a block 3 times before entering a building. He preferred to stay in hotel rooms with numbers divisible by 3. Some say he conducted experiments or built machines with dimensions based on these numbers. Whether these habits were superstition, ritual, or part of a deeper intuitive understanding, they highlight how seriously Tesla regarded these numbers. Modern scientific and metaphysical interpretations. 1. Energy fields and resonance. Modern physics shows that everything in the universe vibrates at specific frequencies. Electromagnetic fields, sound waves, and even matter itself are forms of vibration. Tesla's idea that 3, 6, and 9 correspond to fundamental vibration points finds resonance here, though there is no scientific consensus or proof directly linking these numbers to physical laws. 2. The torus and energy flow. Some theorists connect Tesla's 369 concept to the shape and flow of energy in a torus, a donut-shaped energy field found in everything from atoms to galaxies. In such models, energy circulates in balanced flows that could be symbolized or modeled by the numbers 3, 6, and 9. 3. Information theory and digital coding. Others speculate that 3, 6, and 9 are keys to understanding digital codes, binary systems, or the way information is structured in the universe. The repeating patterns in multiples of 9 and the uniqueness of 3 and 6 could hold clues to universal algorithms. Skepticism and critical viewpoints. While the mystique of 3, 6, and 9 is captivating, it's essential to approach these ideas critically. There is no direct scientific evidence that 3, 6, and 9 unlock cosmic secrets. Much of the lore comes from numerology and speculative metaphysics, rather than empirical research. Tesla's own statements were often enigmatic and may have been metaphorical rather than literal. Nonetheless, the symbolic power of these numbers and their frequent appearance in nature and culture cannot be dismissed as mere coincidence. Practical applications. How can 3, 6, and 9 influence us? Regardless of scientific proof, many people use the symbolism of 3, 6, and 9 to bring mindfulness and intention into their lives. Meditation and mantras. Repeating patterns or sounds in 3s or 9s can create rhythm and focus. Architecture and design. Using the principles of sacred geometry, often based on multiples of 3 and 6, to create harmonious spaces. Personal rituals. Like Tesla's walking habits, adopting number-based routines can help bring order and mindfulness. The enduring mystery of Tesla's key. Nikola Tesla, one of the most brilliant and enigmatic inventors in history, left behind a legacy not only of technological innovation, but also of intriguing mysteries and cryptic statements. Among the most captivating is his famous assertion about the numbers 3, 6, and 9, which he reportedly called the key to the universe. This enigmatic reference has fascinated researchers, mystics, mathematicians, and conspiracy theorists alike for decades. What did Tesla mean by the key to the universe? Why did he single out these 3 numbers? Is there a scientific or metaphysical truth hidden within them? This article explores the enduring mystery of Tesla's key, weaving together historical context, scientific insight, numerological symbolism, and modern interpretations. By the end, we hope to shed light on why the secret behind 3, 6, and 9 remains a captivating enigma. Nikola Tesla, a brief background. To understand the mystery, one must first appreciate Tesla's mind and worldview. Born in 1856 in what is now Croatia, Tesla was a visionary inventor, engineer, and physicist. His groundbreaking work on alternating current AC, wireless power transmission, radio, and electromagnetism changed the world and paved the way for modern technology. Tesla was not just a scientist. He was a thinker who combined rigorous engineering with metaphysical curiosity. He often spoke about energy, vibration, and frequency as fundamental elements shaping the universe. His fascination with numbers, patterns, and the unseen forces of nature led him to explore mathematical mysteries and their connection to physical reality. The famous quote, "If you only knew the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9. One of Tesla's most famous and mystifying statements is, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe." While the exact source of this quote is debated and often attributed through second-hand reports, it encapsulates Tesla's belief that these numbers hold special significance. What makes this quote so intriguing is that Tesla did not explicitly explain what he meant. Instead, he left behind a cryptic clue, inviting others to explore and uncover the hidden truths behind these digits. The mathematical mystery of 3, 6, and 9. Mathematicians and enthusiasts have long studied the unique properties of 3, 6, and 9, revealing fascinating patterns that may offer clues as to why Tesla emphasized them. The digital root and repeating patterns. One fundamental concept in number theory related to these digits is the digital root, repeatedly summing the digits of a number until a single digit remains. When exploring multiples of 3, 6, and 9, a remarkable pattern emerges. Multiples of 3 cycle through 3, 6, and 9. Multiples of 6 cycle similarly, but in a different order. Multiples of 9 always reduce back to 9, showing a unique property of this number. For example, 3 times 1 is equal to 3, 3. 3 times 2 is equal to 6, 6. 3 times 3 is equal to 9, 9. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. And so on. This cyclical behavior implies that these numbers form a kind of mathematical vortex, or loop, endlessly recurring and controlling patterns in arithmetic. Some numerologists and mathematicians argue that this is evidence of an underlying order governing natural laws. The vortex mathematics theory. Marco Rodin, a mathematician and engineer, popularized vortex mathematics, which studies repeating numerical patterns and their relation to energy and spacetime. In this system, 3, 6, and 9 are called control numbers that exist outside the normal flow of the other digits: 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Rodin suggests that these numbers govern the energy flow in the universe, possibly echoing Tesla's own beliefs. While vortex mathematics remains controversial and speculative, it provides a framework for understanding why 3, 6, and May 9th be special from a mathematical and energetic perspective. Tesla's obsession with 3, 6, and 9 personal rituals. Tesla's fascination extended beyond theory. It is widely reported that Tesla exhibited behaviors that reflected his focus on these numbers. He reportedly walked around a block 3 times before entering a building. He preferred hotel rooms with numbers divisible by 3. He was said to wash his hands repeatedly in sets of 3. While some interpret these as obsessive-compulsive tendencies, others see them as ritualistic practices to align himself with universal vibrations or energy frequencies tied to 3, 6, and 9. Ancient symbolism and numerology of 3, 6, and 9. The significance of these numbers is not exclusive to Tesla or modern numerology. Ancient cultures revered them for their spiritual and symbolic power. The number 3. Across cultures, 3 often represents harmony, balance, and completeness. Christianity emphasizes the Holy Trinity: Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. In Hinduism and Buddhism, triads represent creation, preservation, and destruction. The 3 dimensions of physical reality, length, width, and height, also echo this sacred triad. The number 6. 6 symbolizes balance, harmony, and perfection. The hexagon with 6 equal sides is a shape found abundantly in nature, e.g., honeycombs, snowflakes. In Judaism, the Star of David is a 6-pointed star representing divine protection and unity. 6 is also considered the number of creation days in biblical tradition, signifying order and structure. The number 9. 9 is often linked to spiritual enlightenment and completion. In numerology, 9 is the highest single-digit number and represents fulfillment and wisdom. The number 9 appears in many religious and mystical traditions as sacred or divine. Multiplying 9 by any number and summing the digits will always yield 9, symbolizing eternal recurrence and completeness. These symbolic interpretations reinforce Tesla's possible view that 3, 6, and 9 represent fundamental cosmic principles. Scientific perspectives: energy, vibration, and frequency. Tesla famously said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." This ties directly into the idea that 3, 6, and 9 might represent specific frequencies or vibrational modes in the fabric of reality. Resonance and frequencies in nature. Modern physics tells us that everything in the universe, from atoms to galaxies, vibrates at specific frequencies. These frequencies determine matter's behavior, energy flow, and the structure of spacetime. Tesla's key might represent fundamental vibrational notes, or harmonics underlying all existence. In this context, 3 could symbolize the base frequency or primary energy. 6 might represent harmonics or balanced resonance. 9 could be the transformative frequency, that governs higher dimensional interactions or energy flow beyond physical reality. The torus energy field. Some theorists associate Tesla's numbers with the torus, a donut-shaped energy field that represents dynamic, self-sustaining energy systems seen in atoms, cells, planets, and galaxies. The torus model describes how energy flows in loops, maintaining balance and movement. The numbers 3, 6, and May 9th correspond to key points or nodes within this field, symbolizing control points for universal energy. Tesla's legacy and the mystery today. Tesla's life was filled with invention, brilliance, and unexplained mysteries. His focus on 3, 6, and 9 remains one of the most compelling puzzles. Although no definitive scientific proof ties these numbers to universal laws, the ongoing fascination reflects humanity's search for meaning in numbers and patterns. In recent decades, many have explored Tesla's legacy through documentaries, books, and internet forums, often linking his numbers to alternative science, spirituality, and conspiracy theories. This shows how Tesla's mystique endures as a symbol of hidden knowledge and cosmic secrets. Critical views and skepticism. While the symbolism and mystique are fascinating, it's important to approach Tesla's key with balanced skepticism. There is no mainstream scientific evidence that 3, 6, and 9 hold any special physical power. Tesla's statement could be metaphorical or a poetic expression rather than a scientific formula. Many claims around Tesla's numbers derive from numerology and speculative theories, not empirical research. However, even if the mystery remains unsolved, it has value in inspiring curiosity, exploration, and new ways of thinking about the universe. Practical implications. How can we apply Tesla's key? Regardless of its scientific validity, the symbolism of 3, 6, and 9 can have practical applications. Meditation and mindfulness. Using repetition in counts of 3, 6, or 9 can help focus the mind and induce calm. Design and architecture. Incorporating sacred geometry based on these numbers can create aesthetically harmonious spaces. Personal rituals. Rituals centered on these numbers might enhance intention setting and spiritual alignment. Tesla's key reminds us that numbers and patterns can be tools for deeper awareness, creativity, and connection to the universe. Embracing the mystery. The enduring mystery of Tesla's key, 3, 6, and 9, invites us to ponder the profound connections between mathematics, energy, and consciousness. Whether these numbers truly unlock cosmic secrets or simply represent archetypal patterns that humans have recognized for millennia, their magnetism persists. Nikola Tesla's legacy as a scientist, inventor, and visionary is inseparable from this tantalizing riddle. His challenge remains to look beyond surface reality and discover the hidden harmonies that structure existence. The journey to understand Tesla's key is, in itself, a quest toward greater insight and wonder. As Tesla suggested, if we could only grasp the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9, we might glimpse the very architecture of the universe and perhaps a deeper understanding of ourselves. Thank you for exploring the mysterious power of 3, 6, and 9 with us. Whether it's ancient wisdom, Tesla's genius, or universal patterns, these numbers continue to inspire curiosity and wonder. Maybe the secret to understanding our reality truly lies within their unique rhythm and energy. If you enjoyed uncovering this cosmic code, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-opening discoveries. Share your thoughts below. What do you believe is the true meaning behind Tesla's key to everything? Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.